Well, welcome in, fellow diamond painters. It's DP Crazy Lady here. It is 6:59 p.m. It is a Thursday. It is the 12th of February 2026, and my PR package showed up a couple hours ago. But I wanted to eat and, you know, get everything together. So, uh, here it is. We're going to open it. This is from Paintsomeway. It got delayed yesterday, I think because of the weather. Uh, it sat in Illinois for a while, and then it said it was out for delivery yesterday, and then got delayed. So it had to be maybe the weather or whoever was delivering just couldn't make it. Because it transfers from one to another. I hope this is going to be seen. I would have done it earlier in the day, but like I said, I had other things to do. I'm trying to remember what these were because it's been a while. So we'll go one at a time and we'll see what they are. And I will scroll back and forth on it. I would do it on a bigger table, but I have my other painting set up for that. Oh yeah, this one. This is really beautiful. Show you in a sec. I gotta find the opening. I like the colors on this. I really did. And the picture was really, really pretty. So it's a 40 by 40. 40 by 40. There are 22 colors. And here is what it looks like. See if you can see it. Oh, geez, I got to get in the camera, don't I? Here we go. Can you see that? I hope there's enough light. I've got the light on this darn thing. Here we go. Look at that. She's got cat ears too with the kitty. That is beautiful. So let's see here. Oh, isn't she beautiful? If the face comes out as good as the lady and the cats, it's perfect. And the eyes on this kitty. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Whoops, dropped something. Okay, there is the boat, a piece of wax, and a pen, as per usual. And I like this. Now, if these were bagged, I would like that too. But I like this, that they have a separate sheet that tells you how many drills, how many packages, and it works out well that I can use it on the side to paint. I don't have to worry about missing some of the side legends when I'm rolling it. And I like this. I like the idea that they have it separate. And there it is again. That is beautiful. This is Paintsomeway. It's a 40 by 40. They're the colors. Some of them, they're in the small package. And some people don't like that. It doesn't really bother me because what I end up doing is I open up a bunch of them, dump them in a tray, and then dump them into the bottles from the tray. So it's no issue for me. And I don't mind them being in the small little packets. It may take a little longer to kit the thing up, but that's no big deal. But this is beautiful. I love the colors. I love the cat's eyes. I think this is going to turn out really, really beautiful. And it is, she's got cat ears. She has cat ears. This is really pretty. Really pretty. All the links will be in the description below. Plus, there's a promo code. If you want to order something, you'll get a little bit off for an order. So, you need to check them out. Okay, the second one. Oh, yeah. It's a little bit bigger. This is a 40 by 60. I had seen this somewhere else, and then I seen it there, and I thought, okay, I'm going to get this one. It is a 40 by 60. There are 38 colors, and I wonder if this goes sideways. It does. So I'm going to have to, unless they have the thing in there. But this is what it is. It's the cat's paw, the toe beans. I know I'm into the animals and stuff, so here we go. I mean, but they have other things there, believe me. But I happen to see these and like them. And their paintings seem to be turning out beautifully. Yeah, it's the beans. Okay, there's not a separate thing on this, so I have to do this one the same way I did the ladies. Is I have to do it sideways. So you have a smaller boat, some placers. You have a pair of tweezers, some wax, a pen. Okay. And here it is. It's the beans. And it's a big, big, big. I guess it's a cat print. Could be a dog. But I thought this was really pretty. I mean, I liked it. So it's called the beans. And there are, like I said, 38 colors. They are both rounds. These ones are bagged. So, and this has ABs in it. The other one did not have ABs that I can remember. I don't think so. I'd have to look at the paper. Let's see. Maybe. It doesn't list any. Unless the 160 is. I'll have to look through that one, but this one has some ABs. Okay, there's one in like a medium red. Big bag of $9.39. That's a big blue. Let's see. Oh, there's a pretty pinkish yellow. Let's see here. Whoops. Yep, I see some more AB. Here's an AB in 435. So that's 2. Oh, I got some purple ABs in 550. Oh, that's beautiful. I hope these are coming out well because, like I said, this is dark right here and I've got the light on, but that is gorgeous. That's 3. Here's a pink. This is 554. Well, it's kind of a pink purple. Another AB. if it's showing through. So that's 4 ABs. It might be what there are is 4. Yep. 4 ABs. And these colors are beautiful. These are beautiful colors. Clean drills. Flat. Nice colors. Really nice. Oh yeah. On Saturday, I will probably, on the 14th, Valentine's Day, y'all, I will probably start the other one. And have, I'll kit it up and start on it separately from my other paintings. But I like this for ABs. I love painting with ABs. So this is Paintsomeway. I want to thank them so much for the first one they allowed me to do, and now the second one. These are, they let me choose, and I really like this. And like I said, they're all rounds. You can check them out. There's a discount promo code that I will put in the description. But I think I'll start this one first, and because it's smaller and I can get it done quicker. And we'll see how it turns out. So hopefully this all shows up well enough. If not, this one will go up tomorrow on Friday, because it is later in the evening now on the 12th. So it'll go up on the Friday the 13th. Yikes. And you will view it then. If it doesn't look like it's a good copy of what I'm showing you, I will redo it, and then it will go up on Saturday, Valentine's Day. So, hope you enjoyed this. I really like what I had chosen. I hope you do too, and you'll watch this being finished. So, hugs to you all. Thank you, Paintsomeway. Thank you. And y'all enjoy the rest of your evening. Well, you'll see this on Friday, so enjoy your day. Have a good one. Hugs to you all. DP Crazy Lady. I'm out to be painting.